Hello everyone, welcome back to Neil Explains. Today we come with this tricky maths, but we will solve it in step by step method. So we will solve it to the right answer. If you already done this calculation, then comment the right answer. I will check this question. So first, for this expression, the question is parenthesis inside that 3 plus 3 into 3 plus 3 divided by 3. As you know, according to PEMDAS, first we will do parentheses, then exponential, then multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So here, first we will solve for this part. And in this part, there we can see there is addition and multiplication part. And as we know, PEMDAS, we will do first multiplication, then addition. So within a parenthesis, we can write like this: 3 into 3, that is 9, plus 3 divided by 3, as right that it is. Now it will become very simple addition expression. 3 plus 9, 12, 9 plus 3, that is 15. So what we get? 15 plus 3. Sorry, division 15 divided by 3. Now, as you know, multiplication 3 into 1, that is 3, 3 into 2, that is 6, 3 into 3, that is 9, 3 into 4, that is 12, and 3 into 5, that is 15. So here 15 divided by 3, that is 5. So 5 will be our right answer. And if you want to be a zero to hero in maths, go and check out in the description our 13 book series, which will definitely help you to become a master in mathematics. And keep watching and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.